Ever wondered how some people seem to multiply their wealth seemingly effortlessly? Well, you're not alone. The world of investments can often seem like an elusive labyrinth, full of twists and turns, where only the most seasoned explorers find their way to the treasure. But what if we told you that this labyrinth is not as mystifying as it seems? Welcome to our deep dive into investment insights, unveiling the world of opportunities. Over the course of this video, we aim to take you on an exhilarating journey, exploring the unseen world of investments and the wealth creation opportunities it offers. Let's set the stage. Imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit idly in your bank account, but it's out there, hustling, earning, and growing. That's the world of investments, a world where money works for you, night and day, rain or shine. In today's era, the potential to create wealth through investments is immense. From the soaring towers of Wall Street to the digital landscape of cryptocurrencies, the avenues are diverse and abundant. You might be wondering, how does one navigate through this intricate world? That's where we come in. We're here to demystify the jargon, decode the trends, and debunk the myths. We'll explore traditional investment avenues like stocks and real estate, and venture into the modern realms of digital currencies. Along the way, we'll share insights from industry experts and successful investors, providing you with practical strategies and real-life examples. This is not about getting rich quick though, it's about understanding the game, learning the rules, and then playing it better than anyone else. It's about making informed decisions, managing risks, and seizing opportunities. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your strategies, or a novice ready to dip your toes in the investment pool, there's something in here for everyone. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of your money working for you, stick around. You're about to embark on an exciting journey into the unseen world of investments. Before we dive into the deep end, let's get our feet wet with the basics of investment. Investing can seem like a vast, uncharted sea, but by understanding a few key concepts, you'll be sailing smoothly in no time. Let's start with risk and return. Picture this. You're the captain of a ship. The risk is the potential stormy weather you might encounter, and the return is the treasure you're seeking. In the world of investing, higher risks often come with the potential for higher returns. But remember, just like you wouldn't sail into a hurricane, it's crucial to manage your risk wisely. Now let's talk about diversification. Think of it as having a fleet of ships, instead of just one. Each ship is an investment, and by having a variety, you spread the risk. If one ship encounters a storm, the rest of your fleet can still reach the treasure. That's diversification in a nutshell. It's about not putting all your eggs, or in this case, ships, in one basket. Lastly, let's touch on the power of compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows larger. That's compounding. When you reinvest the return from your investments, it's like adding more snow to your snowball. Over time, your investments can grow exponentially. But here's a pro tip. Don't expect instant riches. Investing is more of a marathon than a sprint. It's about consistent growth over time, not overnight success. Patience, my friends, is a virtue even in the world of investing. That's it. We've covered the basics: risk and return, diversification, and the power of compounding. Hopefully you're feeling a little more confident, ready to navigate the vast ocean of investing. Remember, every great investor started with these fundamental concepts. They are your compass, guiding you towards your treasure. Understanding these basic principles can help you navigate the ocean of investment opportunities. Now let's take a look at a real-life example: the success story of Tesla. Tesla, a name that's now synonymous with electric vehicles, has been the epitome of a successful investment. The company, founded in the mid-2000s, had a vision that seemed far-fetched at the time: to replace every gas-guzzling car on the road with a zero-emission vehicle. Tesla's journey began with a rocky start. The company faced numerous challenges, from production issues to skepticism about the feasibility of electric vehicles. However, Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation and sustainability eventually started to pay off. The launch of their Model S sedan in 2012 marked a turning point for the company, and the rest, as they say, is history. Over the years, Tesla has not only revolutionized the automotive industry, but also demonstrated the potential of green energy. The company's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. In just a decade, Tesla's market cap soared from around $3 billion in 2010 to over $600 billion in 2020. That's a 200-fold increase. Early investors in Tesla have reaped significant benefits from this growth. If you had invested $10,000 in Tesla's initial public offering in 2010, your investment would be worth over $2 million today. That's the power of a visionary company and a wise investment. But the Tesla story is not just about monetary gains. It's a testament to the transformational power of disruptive technologies and the impact they can have on our world. It's about the shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy, the evolution of transportation, and the potential for a sustainable future. So next time you think about investing, remember the Tesla story. Look for companies that are not just profitable but also innovative and forward-thinking. Companies that are not just about making money, but also making a difference. This case study shows the potential of wise investments to generate significant returns. And remember, investing isn't just about making money. It's about being part of something bigger, something that can change the world for the better. Now that we've seen an example, let's explore different types of investment opportunities, starting with stocks. Imagine a bustling marketplace. Instead of fruits and vegetables, though, traders are exchanging pieces of companies. These pieces, or shares, represent ownership in a company, and are what we call stocks. When you purchase a stock, you essentially become a part owner of that company, and as the company grows, so does the value of your stock. But why would someone want to own a piece of a company? Well, there are two main ways investors can benefit from stocks. Firstly, through capital appreciation, which is when the price of the stock increases over time. If you bought a stock for $10 and it rises to $15, you've just made a profit of $5 per share. Secondly, some companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. These are usually paid out on a regular basis, providing a steady income stream to investors. Stocks are often seen as a key ingredient in the recipe for financial success, due to their potential for high returns. Over the long term, they have historically outperformed most other types of investments. But, as with any investment, stocks come with their own set of risks. The stock market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating daily based on a multitude of factors. A company's financial health, economic conditions, and even global events can all impact a stock's price. And remember, when you own stocks, you're tied to the fortunes of the company. If the company underperforms or goes bankrupt, the value of your stocks can plummet, leading to potential losses. So how do you navigate the world of stocks? Research is key. Understanding a company's financial health, the industry it operates in, and its future prospects can help you make informed decisions. While stocks can be volatile, they can also offer high returns for those willing to take the risk. So are you willing to take the leap into the bustling marketplace that is the stock market? From Wall Street to Main Street, let's talk about real estate investments. Now, real estate might seem like a big leap from stocks and shares, but trust me, it's not. It's just another playground for investors, and it can be a very profitable one if you know how to play the game. Let's break it down. There are two primary ways to invest in real estate: rental properties and real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. Starting with rental properties, it's as straightforward as it sounds. You buy a property, rent it out, and voila, you've got yourself a steady stream of income. But remember, it's not just about collecting rent checks. You've got to consider things like property management, maintenance, and vacancy rates. It's a hands-on investment, but one that can pay off handsomely over time. On the other hand, if you're more of a hands-off investor, REITs might be more your speed. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. When you buy shares in a REIT, you're essentially buying a piece of that income. Think of it like a mutual fund, but for real estate. It's a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of owning and managing properties yourself. But why invest in real estate at all? Well, for one, real estate can offer stable returns. While other investments might ride the roller coaster of market volatility, real estate tends to be more steady, providing a reliable income stream. Another benefit is the tax advantages. With rental properties, for example, you can deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance costs. And with REITs, they're required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, which can mean a nice dividend for you. And let's not forget about appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate tends to go up, meaning your investment can grow in value. So, there you have it. Real estate can offer stable returns and tax benefits, making it an attractive investment option. But like all investments, it's not without its risks, so be sure to do your homework before diving in. Entering the digital world, let's discuss a relatively new player in the investment scene: cryptocurrency. Imagine a world where money isn't printed on paper but is instead created and stored digitally. That's the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers, also known as nodes. Now, when we talk about investments, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, the volatility of cryptocurrencies. One day you're on cloud 9 and the next, you're down in the dumps. It's a roller coaster ride, folks. But why is it so volatile? Well, this is due to many factors such as regulatory news, technological advancements, market liquidity, and investor behavior, to name a few. But here's the catch. With high risk comes the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have proven to be one of the most lucrative investments in recent years. For instance, Bitcoin, the first and most popular cryptocurrency, was worth just a few cents when it was launched in 2009. Fast forward 15 years, and it's worth thousands of dollars. That's quite a leap, isn't it? However, before you dive headfirst into the world of cryptocurrencies, it's essential to do your homework. Understand the technology behind it, research about the different types of cryptocurrencies, and assess your risk tolerance. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investment isn't for the faint-hearted. It's like being in the Wild West of the digital world, where the rules are still being written. It's exciting, unpredictable, and can be highly rewarding. But it can also be a bit like playing with fire. So it's crucial to be well-informed, prepared, and cautious. To sum it up, cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward investment that requires thorough research and understanding. It's a brave new world out there, folks, and it's waiting for you to explore. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We've explored a wide range of investment opportunities, but how do you make wise investment decisions? Investing isn't just about picking the right stocks or jumping on the latest cryptocurrency bandwagon. It's about strategy, patience, and a good dose of common sense. To start with, consider diversification. It's the investment equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can mitigate risk and increase potential returns. Imagine having a financial garden, with stocks as your roses, real estate as your sunflowers, and cryptocurrency as your exotic orchids. If one plant withers, the others can still thrive. Next, let's talk about research. Would you buy a car without checking its mileage or safety record? Of course not. The same principle applies to investments. Dive deep into the financial health of companies, understand market trends, and keep an eye on global economic indicators. Let's say you're considering investing in a tech startup. Look beyond the flashy website and the charismatic CEO. Dig into their financials, understand their business model, and consider the competitive landscape. Lastly, think long-term. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations or the latest investment fad. Instead, focus on building a robust portfolio that can weather economic ups and downs. Remember, even the most successful investors have had their share of losses. The key is to stay the course and keep your eye on the long-term horizon. And here's a bonus tip: don't let emotions guide your investment decisions. Fear and greed can be powerful drivers, but they're seldom good advisors. Stick to your strategy, stay disciplined, and make decisions based on facts, not feelings. Remember, the world of investment is filled with opportunities, but it is your knowledge and strategy that will determine your success. So, arm yourself with knowledge, plan your strategy, and step confidently into the world of investments. And that's a wrap. We've unveiled the world of investment opportunities. We started off by uncovering an unseen world, a world where money works for you. We then broke down the basics of investment, demystifying concepts that may have seemed daunting at first. We journeyed through the success stories of giants like Tesla, understanding how stocks play a crucial role in the world of investments. We then navigated the promising avenues of real estate, a tangible asset that has stood the test of time. But we didn't stop there. We plunged into the future, exploring the exciting realm of cryptocurrency, a digital asset that's reshaping the financial landscape. And of course, we emphasized the importance of making wise investments, because knowledge is the most valuable asset an investor can possess. Now we've laid out the map, the opportunities are endless. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, are you ready to start your investment journey?